In my house, I have a big garden with lots of orange trees. In my family, there are only four of us: my mom, my dad, my sister, and me. Last year, we had a problem. We had too many oranges and we couldn't eat all of them. I saw in the local newspaper that some children needed help to get their afternoon snack because they couldn't afford to buy it. So, I decided that I could find a solution for my family problem while helping the other children as well. I decided to use our oranges to make orange juice for those children. I think that when you have a problem, it's important to have a positive attitude to solve it. I saw that our oranges were going to spoil, and I felt it was my responsibility to find a solution. And if I cannot solve a problem on my own, then I can ask for help. I am very happy with my idea because I solved the problem of the extra oranges, and at the same time I was able to help other children.